Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very interesting video planned that I can't wait to share with all of you. If you are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my updates. In this video, I will be showing you how to remove your Gmail account from all unwanted websites. All you just need to do is to open any browser that you have in your phone. For the purpose of the video, I am using a Firefox browser. Type in google.com/accounts. Okay, it will automatically take you to where you can sign into your Gmail account. Hit on next, input your password, then you hit on next again. It will automatically take you to the home page of your Gmail account. You flip your phone to the right hand side, you will see security. Press security, then you scroll down to your connections to third-party apps and services. Okay, these are the websites that are currently connected to my Gmail account. I am going to click one and show you how to remove the website. So I'll be clicking on TextMeet account. Okay, then you scroll down, you'll see delete all connection you have with TextMeet account. Press it and confirm. My Gmail account has successfully been disconnected from TextMeet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Until next time, take care and stay cool. Bye.